Hey, what's up, guys? Yes, finally we get some more Mexican food. Look at how it looks like. You know what I mean? Look at how it looks like. It looks different. Look. It looks different though. I think I have to mix something of it. Look. This is Mexican food. Guys, finally I get me more. I had to go get more because everything in this town owned by the Mexican and Indian. So I had to go and buy more Mexican food, you know. You see that? You see how I'm gonna eat it, guys? I think that piece. 1 second. I need 2 hands. That meat is something else, bruh. Yeah. Look at how I'm gonna eat it, guys. Look. This is Mexican food, guys. This is Mexican food. See? See? Look at that. Look at that piece right here. That piece. They fried. It looks like though. I want to know if something is rocket. I about making another one. They don't cook like us though. They cook different. They don't cook like us. That's why I believe our Haitian food is good, right? But Haitian food is very, very good. That's a big piece of meat though. Oh man, I'm making a mess. That's a new shirt. I'm gonna get this shit dirty though. Pay $15 for that shirt. Yeah. The food is different, man. I don't know where to start, man. That's my biggest problem. Got a big piece of meat. Mm. I like that Mexican drink though. Yeah, I like it. All taste the same, man. All the cola taste the same. Taste the same. I think they're owned by the same people. Yeah, they don't have no different. Some of them a little bit sweeter, but all taste the same. Yeah, I think they're owned by the same people though. They just put different name on them. I don't know how to eat that shit. Very good food though. It's just different. So it's just different. That meat is something else, though. I don't like that meat. It's hard for me to get rid of it, though. I like the rice, though. Yeah. Well, guys, thank you for watching. That was Mexican food. That was Mexican food. Ooh, it's different, man. Something else, bro. Stick on my teeth.